You're going on a road trip and want to keep your drinks and food cold? Do you need an extra small fridge for your camper van or motorhome, or are you looking for something for your car or camping? We help you choose the best portable fridge for your car or camper van road trips. In this video, Automotive Care brings 5 best mini fridge for car in 2021. Through extensive research, we have put together 5 best car refrigerator in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the number 5 is YITA Motor Mini Fridge. YITA Motor Mini Fridge is multifunctional to store food, drinks, beer, snacks, breast milk, insulin, medications, cosmetics and skincare, which brings more convenience to your daily life. The cooling function can cool down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius below ambient temperature, while the heating function can heat up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius through the flip of a switch. The 10-liter spacious capacity allows you to store up to 10 330 milliliters cans. This mini fridge comes with 2 removable shelves, 1 basket container and built-in convenient carry handle, which makes it easy to be taken with you on the go. Grant your fridge versatility to function both indoors and outdoors, including home, office, nursery, dorm, vacation or camping occasions. The advanced technology keeps sound at a minimum 25 decibels, which allows you to rest or work comfortably without interference. This is the best car refrigerator and it's available on Amazon. On the number 4 is Msak Mini Fridge. This 10-liter thermoelectric mini fridge has compact size. The compact and lightweight design make it easy to go where you like, enjoy a snack or cold drink without venturing all the way. The stylish design LCD thermostat makes it easy to read and adjust the mini fridge temperature. You can adjust the fridge temperature range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius to 149 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. It cannot use to freeze item, just to keep item cool or warm. With the removable shelf design makes it perfect to store food as well as skincare and beauty products. This portable mini fridge comes with a standard wall outlets 110 to 120 volt, and a cigarette lighters in vehicles which can be used in the car by plugging the appliance into car cigarette adapter 12 volts. 100% Freon-free and semiconductor refrigeration chip makes the cooler and warmer compact refrigerator 100% environmentally friendly. The advanced technology also can give you a quiet sound. This is the best car refrigerator and it's available on Amazon. On the number 3 is Cusion Mini Fridge. Meet your new mirrored LED beauty fridge. This revolutionary 6 liters mini fridge was made to keep your food items chilled and fresh for longer while giving your complexion a rejuvenating, cooling effect when applied. The removable shelf makes small items like skincare, cosmetic easy to separate. Best gift for women and girls. 2 plugs are included for both standard wall outlets and 12-volt cigarette lighters in vehicles. You can use beauty fridge in home and outdoor. The mirror and LED design, it is specially designed for traveling. The LED lights are controlled by the touch sensor switch. The brightness of the LED makeup mirror can be adjusted by touch screen. It's 100% Freon-free and eco-friendly, and approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. It's great for personal spaces, travel, road trips, boating, camping and more. Its small size and sleek design makes it a perfect fit for anywhere. This is the best car refrigerator and it's available on Amazon. In the list, on the second last number is Cusion Mini Fridge. The Cusion Classic 4-liter thermoelectric mini fridge sports a matte finish and a modern profile that's perfectly portable. The Classic 4-liter is super versatile. Use it anywhere to store food, drinks, beer, snacks, breast milk, insulin and medications. You can also store your skincare, personal care and beauty products. From moisturizers to mask, serums to creams and everything in between. The unique semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra quiet and 100% environmentally friendly. The mini fridge covers all your bases. An AC and DC power cords are included for indoor or outdoor use, plus it comes with a USB cord for ultra flexibility. Take this mini fridge anywhere. The molded and inset top handle makes transport easy even when it's full. The easily removable inner shelf and container basket offer you more space and storage options. It's powered by EcoMax technology. This mini fridge is low cost and energy efficient. This is the best car refrigerator and it's available on Amazon, and on the first we listed Astro AI mini fridge. Astro AI is a portable AC/DC power cooler and warmer mini fridge. To achieve the quickest cooling, fill the fridge with beverages which have already been refrigerated. The lowest possible temperature depends on the surrounding environment. The fridge is designed to keep items warm, it is not designed to heat up cold items. Hot items will stay warm and cold items will stay cool for several hours after the portable fridge has been turned off, provided that the door is closed properly. On a trip, have a relax anytime with a cool beverage. It's easy to cover a long journey through plugging into a car because of saving power. Its small size squeezes into tight places and always stays quiet. You can cool down your skincare routine without having to go to the kitchen fridge. There are 2 plugs are included for both standard wall outlets and 12-volt cigarette lighters in vehicles. The removable shelf makes small items like milk, skincare, cosmetic, food or medications easy to separate. It's the best for the people who travel so much. This is the best car refrigerator and it's available on Amazon. These 5 are the best car refrigerators. You can choose any one for your use. Please like the video, share your ideas in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe for the next upcoming videos. For more information, visit to the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, goodbye.